Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
This one I like, actually. This is Uber's one request while driving. So it actually says on the screenshot right here, limited to one request while driving when it comes to Trip Radar.
I like this a lot, actually. A lot safer, right?
Definitely.
In fact, Chris, you know about our glitch from Trip Radar to exclusive we're going to talk about shortly again for the third or fourth week. Business Insider is writing an article about that topic. And I told him about this. He goes, oh, did they really? Yeah, he goes, maybe they listened and then they changed. Because, look, man, you're bombarding me with the garbage Trip Radar stuff, and I have to look down every time 10 seconds. Then I click on it. Then you tell me it's unavailable. Then I have to go through it again, all the shenanigans. I actually do like this quite a bit. Now, let's keep him to their word. This is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. If you guys are seeing this in your cities, please email this to me, just like a screenshot like this, so we know if this is just a pilot or they're rolling nationwide, because this is going to hurt Uber, Chris. Because one at a time, instead of gaming 10 drivers, 10 times over, this is going to limit about. This is going to increase the spinner.
There could be a couple of things here. Maybe, just maybe, you're going to send out more exclusives. Maybe.
All
Honestly, I know is that's safer. But here's my takeaway. First off, you shouldn't be driving waiting for a ride to come in. If you're driving waiting for a ride to come in, you are literally losing money. Because remember how I talked a couple topics ago about knowing your costs associated with driving per mile? That accounts for beyond. That accounts for you repositioning. So if you're not going to a more profitable place, then you're losing money at that point again. So moral of the story is sit and hang tight. Wait for the ride to come in. And then that way you can see all of the Trip Radars that are coming in the area. So whether you want to take it or not, I mean, I don't know if you want to take this one because you're going to the airport for $5.63. Good luck. I don't know if that's a big airport or not. I mean, it could be really small.
Okay, look, a lot of people are saying this has been like this. Well, this I can actually attest that it, not that one, this one. It says it's been like that. Not on my app, sir. Not on my app, because I drove the other day. I'm driving, and I was getting stacked with Trip Radar shit. So unless your app is special,
yes, I'll give you that one.
I entered that. I drove a couple of days ago, and I was getting nothing but Trip Radar after Trip Radar while my car was in motion. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Well, that's interesting, actually.
Yeah. Maybe it's below a certain threshold of speed that they're like, oh.
Potentially. I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't seen it either. So.
Yeah, I don't know. So.
But either way, that's good to see. You're only getting bombarded once. But the problem is, how often is it happening? Is it going, oh, you got it, and then all of a sudden it goes away, and then bam right away, coming with another one?
Well, the idea is this was from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So it's not from San Francisco. I'm not showing that.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.